My own past life research had told me that I was with Gautam Buddha for 40 years in that incarnation. And I accept that statement out of my own experience. I feel very comfortable with Buddha. And on a few things, I am not comfortable with Buddha also. Buddha did not allow women inside his Sangha. And he did not go back to the palace. And he made his wife suffer, which I didn't like. But I liked the Anapanasati. I knew it was correct. But when I came to know from one of my friends, Ramachandra Reddy, he was doing meditation. One day he called me by phone, Antapur to Kannur, about 150 kilometers. Hey, Subhash, I am able to see you from my home. You are wearing this shirt, kurta. Your wife is frying the potato there. I went there and saw she was frying the potato. So that broke the ice for me. How can he see me, my house, from 150 kilometers away? I caught meditation red-handed. It came to me because I was in search for truth. When the disciple is ready, master will appear. और चप्पल फाड़ के आएगा. So I got through my friend. I asked him, how are you doing meditation? He said, breath meditation. How did you get it? He gave me the source of his guru also. So then I got it. I knew intuitively it is correct. Then I practiced for 3 years, from 1976 to 79. Then I got to read Tibetan master, Lobsang Rampa. Everything fell in place. My intuition must be of a very high standard.
Yes.
And that high standard must have come from my past lifetimes. Because everything comes from past lifetimes.
Yes.
Your intelligence, your intellect, your intuition all come from past lives. So my intuition has come from past lives. Swamiji, your intuition to be with me has come from your past lives.
Yes.